Hello dear learners, coming to the today's video about sulfonamides, we are going to talk about the structural features including SAR of sulfonamides. Coming towards the basic structure of sulfonamides, as you all know, the very famous mechanism of sulfonamides is asked in the exam. So this is a PABA, the structure of PABA. So PABA का full form है para amino benzoic acid. That means para position पे amino है and benzoic acid. So it is मतलब इस पे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का सब्स्टिट्यूशन है बेंजीन रिंग पे. So it is known as benzoic acid and at para position amino is there. So this complete COOH and this ring is benzoic acid. As you can see here, ring and carboxylic acid. So it is benzoic acid and this is NH2 at para position. So the name is para amino benzoic acid. So sulfonamides are very much similar structurally with para amino benzoic acid. So they compete with the PABA. Now since these are responsible to inhibit the folic acid synthesis in the bacteria, since folic acid is not available, ultimately bacteria will die. So how it is possible? They will compete with the PABA, that is para amino benzoic acid, which is responsible for synthesis of folic acid. Now structural similarity क्या है? With this aniline, that is benzene ring and NH2, this benzene ring and NH2 is same, aniline, and instead of carboxylic acid here sulfomoyl moiety will come, that is SO2 NH2. Now this NH2 के दो हाइड्रोजन्स जो है उसमें से एक हाइड्रोजन सब्स्टिट्यूट होके कोई भी मोइटी आ सकती है. जैसे कि एज यू कैन सी हियर इन द डायग्राम, दिस NH2 है तो एक हाइड्रोजन R बन गया है, राइट. सो R कैन बी एनी हेटेरोसाइक्लिक रिंग, it can be any substituent, can be a functional group, it can be any heterocyclic ring. So these are two heterocyclic rings which are present. This is a simple heterocyclic ring and this is a substituted heterocyclic ring, where you can see on this heterocyclic ring there is a substituent present, that is methyl, and also again these are the functional groups. So this is this amide, you very well know, CONH2. Again, so we have seen previously in the video of some common functional groups used. So link is also there in the description box for the same. So amide is CONH2. So C double bond O. So instead of C double bond O, here C double bond NH is there and NH2 is there. So this will become, अभी दो amine है तो diamidino. So this is diamidino. अभी यहाँ पे NH है. So जब ये पूरा का पूरा कंपाउंड होगा तो it is called as guanidine, and when only this much part which is quite similar to that of carboxamide, they will be called as diamidino. So coming towards the structural features or SAR points, we will see one by one now. As you can see, at para position there is NH2 substitution which is at fourth number. So once we have numbered the ring, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At fourth position, that is para position, there is a amino group. So amino group is very much essential for the activity. Along with it, it should be unsubstituted. Like here sulfomoyl moiety is there, it is substituted NH2. So here it should not be the case. This should be a proper intact NH2. It should be unsubstituted NH2. At para position is essential. Now coming towards the second feature, that is sulfanilamide moiety. Sulfanilamide, that is S2NH2, is very much responsible for the activity since it confers to the pharmacokinetic properties. Now this fourth point is N1 substitution. Now this sulfomoyl moiety is present at first place, and this NH2 is present at fourth place. So ये भी N है, यहाँ पे भी N है. So this is N1. Wherever the substituent is present on sulfomoyl moiety, it is called as N1 substitution. And when the substituent is present on this NH2, it is called as N4 substituted moiety. At fourth position substituent hai. Abhi now you will say, now this amino actually it should be unsubstituted. So how it can be substituted? So there are few compounds as that also which are N4 substituted. The examples are phthalate sulfathiazole and succinyl sulfathiazole. So these two are N4 substituted, which are there in our syllabus, which our syllabus covers. So these are called as N4 substituted sulfonamides. And whatever the groups which we have studied here, like instead of R there is pyrimidine ring, instead of R there is acetyl group, instead of R there is isoxazole ring, which is substituted at fifth position with methyl, and guanidine ring, guanidine moiety. So this R can have possible derivatives. That means when you will change the possible substituents or moieties or the rings, then you will get different derivatives of sulfonamides. So when it is pyrimidine, it is called as sulfadiazine. When it is acetyl, it is called as sulfacetamide. When it is isoxazole, it is called as sulfamethoxazole. When it is guanidine, it is called as sulfaguanidine. So according to the substituent, the names will change. That means the derivatives will change. So what are the further SAR points now? This 1, 3 on 2. Abhi 2 kya hai? This middle ring, this ring, phenyl ring. So on this ring, 1 that is NH2 and 3 that is sulfomoyl group and NH2 group. These are very much essential for the activity. That means on this ring both should be at para position. One is sulfomoyl and one is NH2. Then SO2NH, this third point, when it is replaced by CONH, that means instead of sulfomoyl, when it is CONH, that is amide linkage, it is responsible for the decrease in activity. And if the substituent is at second position, third position, fifth position, sixth position, then they are inactive compounds. The substituent or the substitution by sulfomoyl and NH2 should be at para position only. At N1, that means this nitrogen, aromatic heterocycle can be possible. That means the substitution of aromatic heterocycle, like say for here in sulfadiazine pyrimidine is there, in sulfamethoxazole isoxazole is there. If these kind of substitutions are there, then they lead to highly potent compounds. And N1 distribution, this N1 dye substitution, when N1 is dye substituted, since SO2NH2 is there, NH2, so NH, one hydrogen is replaced here. But when both the hydrogens are getting replaced, that is dye substitution it is called as. When at N1 position there is dye substitution, it leads to inactive compound. That means SO2NH should always be there. This means what? They can be only primary or secondary amines. So with this we finish with the SAR or structural features of sulfonamides. Now coming towards the first sulfonamide member, that is sulfadiazine. Now as the name suggests, this is sulfa, so sulfonamide, and diazine, so as the name suggests diazine, INE है तो 6 membered ring है. डायाजीन मतलब दो अज़ा है, सो दो नाइट्रोजन है. सो एज यू कैन सी इन द स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज pyrimidine ring where nitrogen is present at first and third position. So if you might have gone through our previous videos for the numbering rule and nomenclature, I will share the link in the description box below, so you can go through that video also. For the pyrimidine ring का structure, उसका IUPAC name, common name, it is known by the common name pyrimidine, and nitrogen is present at first and third position. So this pyrimidine ring, when it is attached to the basic sulfanilamide moiety, this is sulfanilamide moiety, this phenyl group, para position NH2 and SO2NH2, this is sulfanilamide moiety, and when sulfanilamide moiety ka one hydrogen is replaced by some other functional group, or you can say any heterocycle, as you can see here this heterocycle is there which is pyrimidine. So they are responsible for the formation of various derivatives of sulfonamides. Now this sulfonamide moiety is having N1 substituent called as pyrimidine, and it is attached at second position, as you can see in the diagram. Since this is first nitrogen, second nitrogen, third nitrogen, according to the IUPAC nomenclature anti-clockwise numbering भी है, and first and third position पे अगर nitrogen है तो it is pyrimidine. 1,3-diazine इसका IUPAC name है. So second position पे attached है ये sulfomoyl, this sulfanilamide moiety से sulfomoyl group पे. So it is IUPAC name, its IUPAC name will become N1. This is N1. Since it is N1, इसका मतलब क्या है? It is a N1 substituted derivative. So it is written as N1 in brackets 2-pyrimidinyl. That means second position and pyrimidine. So it is 2-pyrimidinyl, and this complete moiety is known as sulfanilamide moiety. So it is N1 2-pyrimidinyl sulfanilamide. What are the common functional groups which you can see in this structure? This is sulfomoyl group. This is aniline ring. Only NH2 is amino, right? And this is heterocycle pyrimidine. And question is asked in the exam, very important drug it is. 1 mark question can be asked like, name the drug used in treatment of burn infection. So it is silver sulfadiazine, or uses of sulfadiazine may be asked, or the structure may be asked, like this IUPAC can also be given and you are supposed to write down the structure, or sulfadiazine ka structure straightforward they can ask, or they can ask you the question like this also, that draw the structure of drug which contains pyrimidine heterocycle. So pyrimidine ring, अभी pyrimidine ring containing बहुत से other भी drugs है. So we cannot say that this question particularly belongs to sulfadiazine only, but you can write down the structure if the question comes like draw the structure of drug containing pyrimidine ring. With this we finish with the sulfadiazine. Thank you.